Hi, this is Reggie with Reggie's Motorworks. I wanted to give you some ideas of what we're doing during this time while we're trying to prevent the spread of the coronavirus. Right now, our door is open just like it normally is. That may change, we don't know yet, but you don't have to walk through that door. We have a drop box right here where you can drop your keys before or after hours, just like we do 365 days a year. But for now, you can use that during hours. We also, if you've been here before, you know we communicate electronically, so you can get pictures of what's going on with your car, all your information. You can even pay over the phone if you choose. And then we can, if you've got a spare key, we can lock your key in the car and you can pick it up at your convenience. We also will have some lock boxes where we can lock your keys up and you can pick them up again before or after hours to avoid, to maintain social distancing. Beyond that, we're also starting to offer a concierge service. So if you live within about 10 miles of Reggie's Motorworks, we can come pick your car up, bring it to the shop. With your permission, we'll even disinfect the steering wheel. Our delivery person is going to be wearing gloves the whole time to protect both you and us. Our staff is all very healthy right now, and we want to keep them that way. If you need transportation, we can bring a loaner car to you if they are available and drop it off at your house so you have something to get around while we're working on your car. So whether you just need an oil change or whether you have some things that need to be done to your car, right now while we're kind of locked up at home might be the time to do it. And then as we get through this thing, your car will be ready to go and we'll be ready to get back to business as usual. Thank you, and give us a call if you need any help or have any questions. Thanks.